Hello, my name is Neviana Nikoloski and I am chair of the ETSI General Assembly. ETSI's mission as a standards development organization is to provide the platforms where all interested parties can come together, collaborate, and develop global ICT standards made in Europe for the benefit of all. Openness, transparency, and inclusiveness are guiding principles in our work at ETSI because we are convinced that ICT standards with global impact can be developed by a global and diverse community. With the initiative We Are ETSI, we would like to highlight the people behind our standards, to show who are our members, how they got involved in ICT standardization, and why they have joined ETSI. We are therefore inviting you to support this campaign by submitting short, self-made video testimonials, introducing yourself, your organization, and your role and experience in ETSI. As part of our commitment to help raise awareness of the value of gender diversity and to mark the International Women's Day, we'll dedicate the month of March to showcase our ladies at ETSI. Feel free to express if your gender played a role in your experience, or include your advice to fellow women who may wish to consider ICT standardization as their future career. Let's get recording. We look forward to receiving your contributions. We are ETSI.